So Bill, tell us, what do you think of the hair transplant?
This hair transplant has exceeded my expectations. It's only been.
This is Bill. He's 56 years old and has come back for follow-up 6 months after his hair transplant. When he first presented himself, he had a Norwood 4 pattern. As you can see here, he had a Norwood 4 pattern, Norwood 3 going into Norwood 4 pattern. And so what we had to do was to fill in the front half of the scalp. We chose to do a follicular unit extraction, and it was about 2,800 grafts, and this is what he looks like 6 months later. The hair growth is amazing. That's the only word I can use. It's very high density. It's a very natural hairline. The other way.
Sorry.
No, no.
Okay.
Just, yeah, shoot.
Perfect.
So look at her and chin down a bit, sir. And you can see here, this is the transplanted portion. This is a natural portion here, which is the gray part. That's a natural hairline. That's a natural hair. This is a transplanted hair, which has turned out to be more black than gray. And you can see there's a very good transition. And if you turn around, please. In keeping with the fact he had the FUE done, very good regrowth, uniform, and nobody could ever tell you the hair transplant done looking at the back of the head. So Bill,
Yes.
tell us, what do you think of the hair transplant?
This hair transplant has exceeded my expectations. It's only been just over 6 months, and I'm really happy with how this is coming in. And I'd be happy if it stopped right now, and it might even come in better than this. So it's exceeded my expectations, and Sure Hair has done a wonderful job. The team was great, and you, Dr. Gupta, following up with me every night. It's great. I'd highly recommend Sure Hair.
And you said your wife was very happy.
Oh yeah, she's very happy with my hair.
And it gives you more confidence, makes you feel younger.
Yeah.
Everything's
Yes.
feels much better, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.